My friends, before we talk about strategies, indicators, or setups, ask yourself one question. Are you controlling your trading or is trading controlling you? Because the truth is simple. The market is not your enemy. It does not care about your stop loss. It does not care about your frustrations. It does not care about your emotions as well. The biggest battle in trading is the battle inside your own mind. Trading is one of the few professions where success depends more on mindset than your intelligence. Every hesitation, every fear, every impulsive trade is a reflection of your inner psychology. Until you understand and control your inner psychology, no strategy can save you. The best traders do not win because they predict the market. They win because they think clearly, act consistently, and remain emotionally neutral. Today, I'm going to share a powerful trading psychology lesson along with you guys that can completely transform the way you trade and the way you think while you trade. First, success comes from your mindset and not from prediction. Most beginners believe success comes from finding the best indicator or a secret strategy. They chase the signals, the patterns, and the magic formula. But markets do not reward predictions. Markets reward discipline. Market reward patience. And market reward emotional control. The trader with an average strategy but a strong discipline only can succeed. A trader with the best strategy but the weak emotions will fail eventually. The real edge is not on the chart. The real edge is in your mind. Second one, the market is neutral. The market has no emotion. It is not attacking you. It is not rewarding. It simply moves based on millions of participants making decisions at a single point of time. Yet traders make it personal. When they lose, they feel insulted. When they win, they feel superior. This mindset creates emotional chaos. Remember this, the market gives information, not emotions. The emotions come from you. Once you understand this, you stop blaming the market and start improving yourself. Third one, and very important one, accept uncertainty. Most traders want certainty. They want to know if a trade will win before they enter into the trade. But certainty does not exist in trading. No setup guarantees profit. No indicator guarantees success. No analysis removes uncertainty. Professional traders understand this particular one thing very deep manner. They do not ask, will this trade win? They ask, does this trade match my system? That one shift changes every single thing. Losses stop feeling personal. Fear begins to despair. Confidence starts to grow. The fourth one is think in probabilities. Every single trade means very little. One trade cannot define your future. One trade cannot define your skill. The trading success comes from a series of disciplined executions over the period of time. If your system has an edge and you follow it consistently, results will appear over many trades. That is how professionals think. Beginners focus on one single trade. Professionals focus on the next 100 trades. Fifth one, take full responsibility. Believe me, many traders blame the market. They blame the news. They blame manipulation. They blame operators. They blame brokers. But the moment you blame others, you lose your power. Because if others control your results, then you cannot improve. Real growth starts when you say, my actions created my results. Responsibility is not blame. Responsibility is power. Once you own your mistakes, you can fix them. Sixth one, detach ego from outcomes. Many traders need to be right. They hold on to losing trades just to prove a point. They refuse to exit because admitting a mistake feels like a failure. But in trading, being right is irrelevant. What matters is making money consistently. Ego is expensive, discipline is profitable. The moment you detach your identity from your trades, everything changes. A loss is no longer personal failure, it becomes data, feedback, a step forward. You stop defending bad decisions and start improving good ones. Seventh one, control risk before chasing reward. Most traders focus on how much they can make. Professionals focus on how much they can lose because survival is the first rule of trading. If you protect your capital, opportunities will always come. But if you lose your capital, the game is over. Great traders are not thrill seekers, they are risk managers. Every trade should have a clear plan: entry, exit, and risk defined before the execution, not during, not after, before. Finally, consistency beats intensity. Trading is not about one big win, it is about small, repeatable actions done correctly over the period of time. You do not need to catch every single move, you do not need to trade every single day. You only need to follow your system again and again and again without deviation. That is where real success lives. So, before you look for another strategy, another indicator, another shortcut, look inward. Are you disciplined or reactive? Are you patient or impulsive? Are you consistent or emotional? Because the truth is, the market will always test you, but it will never change for you. When you change, everything else follows. Master your mind and you will master your trading. That's it for today. I will see you in the next one. Have a nice day. Jai Shivrai.